greetings from Paramount International Consultant for Study Abroad and Paramount International School, Dhaka, as well as from ISSB Business Carnival 2024 and International Hope School, Bangladesh. Good evening to all of you. I'm truly thrilled, really honored, deeply grateful and pleasantly thankful to stand here today and receive this beautiful crest from this incredible team of ISSB Business Carnival 2024 and International Hope School, Bangladesh as well. Being a part of the Business Carnival, not only as a sponsor but as a judge, I hope the innovation, passion and dedication will be displayed by every participant to show their imagination into the reality. Hence my Paramount Education Group will be with you always to inspire and ignite this event to elevate in the global stage. Mind it, impossible is nothing by Adidas, but everything is possible by ISSB Business Carnival. Okay, so it is growing and growing in the upper stage, and I am the witness, and I am very happy to see the growing of this ISSB Business Carnival and hear the passion of the team, mostly passionate person, our beloved person, Miss Faria Miss. Okay, thank you very much for her great initiative, and our beloved person, the Chief Advisor, Mr. Arifin. Okay, he's doing his job greatly. Our Assistant Vice President, Mr. Saifi. Okay, thank you very much for his doing job. I saw him, he's actually very tired, cannot talk anymore because his tireless effort cannot sleep at all. But another person, Mr. Tanjim, the Vice President, thanks to him. Here, I'm giving the thanks to the all members of the ISSB Business Carnival Committee. They invited me again and again. That's why I'm so blessed and blessed to have the seat here. And let's continue to work together, build stronger connections and push the boundaries of the world of possibilities of what we can achieve. Thank you all once again, and congratulations to everyone involved in making this event a grand success. And a special thanks to International Hope School, Bangladesh for patronizing it from the root to the top in the educational landscape of the world. And here I am really thankful to Mr. former President Ahmed Ishrat Johan. He has done well in the last year. Okay, he is very inspiring person, and I am so blessed to have such kind of person in my life, and he's going to the Australia with a scholarship, UTS, and he got the lot of scholarship from Australia and USA. More than 10 university, he got the scholarship, and from us, Paramount International Consultant, besides always to Mr. Ahmed Ishrat Johan. And ISSB Business Carnival, and also the International Hope School, Bangladesh. Another former Vice President, Mr. Walid Rahman. I am so excited to express the name, the polite person. He also got the offer, more than 10 universities from Australia and USA. Usually আমরা কিন্তু তাদের চয়েস নিয়ে কাজ করেছি, আমরা কিন্তু আমাদের চয়েস নিয়ে বেশি কাজ করিনি, তা অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দেয়ার চয়েস আমরা তাদেরকে এলিভেট করতে পেরেছি। দ্যাটস ওয়াই উই আর সো ব্লেসড। এবং লাস্ট ইয়ার আমি মনে করি যে এখানে আমরা এসে আমরা অনেক বেশি অ্যাচিভ করেছি, যতটুকু দিতে পেরেছি তার চেয়ে বেশি অ্যাচিভ করেছি। আমাদের বাচ্চাদেরকে আমরা আমাদের রাইট ডেস্টিনেশনে নিয়ে যেতে পেরেছি। নেক্সট, Mr. Wahab, he also got the scholarship and offers from the Australia as well, from the ISSB Business Carnival and International Hope School, Bangladesh. Next, Miss Samiha Ibnat Maisha, she also got the offer from a lot of universities, but she has admitted to the Queen Mary University. Here I am so blessed to have such kind of person in my life to get the inspiration to work towards. Here I have the offer, another offer from our Paramount International Consultant for Study Abroad and Paramount Global Study Limited. I stand here as a chairperson and offer from our company. We offer the team of ISSB Business Carnival. We are going to free zero gravity. The Business Carnival team will go to free in zero gravity. So much offer from us, zero gravity always with us, and Paramount International Consultant will offer, and from our side we will go with you. The team of the organizing committee will go to the zero gravity freely and frankly any day. Okay. In this event, ISSB Business Carnival International Hope School Bangladesh will get the free admission to the study abroad program. So here we will decide with you. So thank you very much. Hopefully we will continue our journey again and again from ISSB Business Carnival and Paramount International Consultant and Paramount International School Dhaka, always with the ISSB Business Carnival and Hope International School in Bangladesh. Okay, thank you very much.